Hey there, if you are a sucker for thrillers and not finding any authors nowadays writing to that level of your appropriateness, what you start for, then this video is for you. But before starting the video, hey there, I am Yogita. This is my channel Wiki Reads. You're heartily welcome over here. Before starting this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also press the bell notification on so that you can get all the notifications while I post my review, though I post it very uncertainly, but still I'm posting it. Today we are talking about the book That Night by Nidhi Upadhyay. It is a thriller but will give you horror vibes at many places. This book usually portrays a story of four friends and the secret they are hiding into them from past 20 years, and that secret is what haunting them in the present times in 2017. And what all happens throughout the book is given so beautifully that you will live the life of Ria, Natasha, Catherine, and also Anjali. The book is written through the entry of each person's life in an article format or a diary entry format. Not the person is writing it, but the format is somewhat similar to that. Through this book, the people, the four friends, are fighting their own demons, and also the person who is making them do many hazard things to through all this is happening. But the one thing is that who is making them do this? Is this the person who is making them do this is really alive or is dead? Is the secret which they were trying to bury in their past coming again to make it open to the world, or is it someone who is taking revenge on them? So this was about this book. Now talking about my view about this book. Firstly, the book is written wonderfully. This book took its own time to set. This book took its own time to set all the characters, to build a storyline, and you will feel like the homie of each and every person. You will feel that you are with that person while everything is happening. You are facing the problems with them. You are fighting them, and that's what is the first plus point of this book. Second, the book was written in each and every person's diary entry format or any entries format for every person. So we are getting to know the four different perspectives rather than going through a single perspective, which makes this story and another diverse form of thriller. Obviously, the girl in the train, girl on the train, I don't remember, I'm really sorry for that, was one example for such kind, but it was very confusing, which was little bit less in this book. The confusion was really very less, but it was happening at times talking about the same point, the entries from a person's perspective. It was also happening that if I am now reading from one person's point of view, and then I'm keeping this book for some work, and then I'm picking it up, I have to recall what the other person said, and creating that link was really a bit of struggle for me because I was having a mild I can say reading slump. I don't like to say that. Another plus point of this book was that the author also tried to focus on the LGBTQ community in a very diverse format, which I actually liked, because the LGBTQ community and Muslim communities is what people think as stigma, because people feel that mostly there are certain types of people or certain community of people who are raising to this LGBTQ community, but no, the author tried to explain that people hormone plays role in their sexuality and not the, I can say, religion or any people's race, who where they belong, who are they, where they belong. And that was the one point which I liked in this book. Another plus was the happy ending. Mostly the thrillers usually end on a sad note with one person being at loss, and that's really very sad at one point, because after reading a beautiful book all with all those ups and downs, with all those breathtaking moments, we don't want that happiness to go. We want that sunshine of happiness in the end, but in many thrillers it is missing. But the author had done a great and very nice job of securing the happy ending in this book, which was why I like this book. Now, talking about the points which I felt at struggle with it. Firstly, to discuss that what all the points I liked were also the point which also created trouble for me while reading this book. So first, what that the story took a long time to set up, because till 100th page plus then 100th page the book was not reaching anywhere, the story was not reaching anywhere, and I was so irritated by this. Like, I was liking how the story is going, but the book was not proceeding till the 100th page, and this book is of only 283 pages. That was the first thing which I thought that was making me go down about this book. Second, that the LGBTQ community which was talked, I felt that the author should have put more light on it by discussing the love story of that LGBTQ couple, but she decided to keep it short. I can understand why, but I wanted to know more about it. Secondly, after that, I thought that the book was having a good story, a very good narrative throughout it, but the ending was very much left out. Like, I felt that I didn't expected this, I didn't want this, I wanted something more. Yes, I was left wanting for more, but at the end, throughout everything was going good, but the conclusion part was little low. And if a ending is going really low or a bit also low, it can take off the author from the mood which was set during the story. That was one point. And finally, the entries format, which I already discussed, I guess it was making a bit harder for the book to get through. But overall, the book was good. I will rate this book 3.5 out of 5, and mark my words, this rating from my side, it is a huge plus. I usually don't rate this books, like any books, usually more than 3, if only it's standing at the level of, I can say, 50 Shades of Grey and Harry Potter series. But this book was really good, few touches here and there, and this book would have been a masterpiece, I'm telling you. Till that time, this was it for this book and today's video. If you have watched this video till now, kindly like my video. I said kindly. Kindly like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down what was the thriller you read recently and has caught your attention. Till that time, bye. Thank you.